तेरा जिक्र अर्ज़ो फलक में है, तेरा जिक्र अर्ज़ो फलक में है, तेरी बात इंसो मलक में है। तेरा जिक्र अर्ज़ो फलक में है, तेरी बात इंसो मलक में है। जो तेरे ख्याल में गर्क है, उसे बेपिए भी खुमार है। हजरात सामीन, ये दौर इंतहाई तरक्की और उरूज का दौर है। इसके जहाँ पर बहुत सारे असबाब व अवामिल है, तो वहीं पर अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान व अदब से दिलचस्पी है। तो आइए अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान में तकरीर पेश करने के लिए मैं मोहम्मद दानिश मुतअल्लिम अरबी चहारुम को इस शेर के साथ मदो करता हूँ। जवानों ये सदाएं आ रही है आबशारों से, जवानों ये सदाएं आ रही है आबशारों से। चट्टानें चूर हो जाए जो हो अज़्म सफ़र पैदा, नहीं तेरा नशीमन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशीमन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तो शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर। मौसूफ तशरीफ़ लाएं और अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान में तकरीर पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All the praise is for Allah. First, I would like to thank of Allah, who gave me an opportunity to speak before such a nice people on the great topic, Islam is a religion of peace. The Holy Quran says, Inna ad-deena indallahi al-Islam. There is no religion near Allah but Islam, and also Quran says, La ikraha fid din. There is no force to anyone in the religion of Islam. It means Islam is the beautiful religion. Their audience, we should understand properly that Islam is a religion of peace in the fullest sense of the word. The Quran calls its way the paths of peace. It states that God abhors any disturbance of peace. In fact, the root word of Islam is silm, which itself means peace. So the spirit of Islam is the spirit of peace. The first verse of Quran breathes the spirit of peace. It reads, In the name of God, the most merciful, the most compassionate. This verse is repeated in the Quran no less than 113 times. It shows the great importance of Islam attached to such values as mercy and compassion. One of God's name, according to the Quran, is As-Salam, which means peace. Moreover, the Quran states that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent to the world as a mercy to mankind. Appraisal of the Quran shows that most verses of the Quran and also the Hadith are based on peace and kindness, either directly or indirectly. The ideal society according to the Quran is Darus Salam, that is the house of peace. Islam attaches great importance to peace. In fact, Islam cannot afford not to be in a state of peace. Because all that Islam aims at spiritual progress, intellectual development, character building, social reform, educational activities, and above all missionary work can be achieved only in an atmosphere of peace and harmony. According to Islam, peace is the rule and war is only an exception. Even in defensive war, we have to see the result. According to Islam, peace is not simply an absence of war. Peace opens doors to all kinds of opportunities that are present in any given situation, that planned activities are possible. It is for this reason that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to great extent to establish peace at all costs. If the result is doubtful, Muslims should avoid war. Even in a defensive situation, stray acts of aggression are not enough for Muslims to rush into war. They have to assess the whole situation and adopt a policy of avoidance when war is not certain to achieve a positive result. This can be seen from the example given in the article of this section, as was in the case of the Battle of the Trench. In this event, there was a clear cut aggression on the part of the antagonists, who traveled as far as 300 miles from Mecca to Medina only to attack the Muslim. But the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam got a trench dug in order to prevent an armed confrontation, and thus avoided engaging in a defensive war. Thus, Islam is the religion of peace in the complete sense of the word. Every teaching of Islam is based on the principle of peace and avoidance. Any deviation from the model is a deviation from Islam and is due to misconception. We should therefore understand the ideology of peace given in Islam and base our actions upon this ideology so that peace will prevail in the world. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.